Recording, minimize. Now we are moving to their MS Paint. I think my screen is shared or not shared yet. Please respond. I think it is shared, right? Shared or not shared?
Chat, sir.
Yeah, good.
Chat.
Good. Windows key or MS Paint. MS Paint. Yesterday somewhere we struck up somewhere. I first I'll try to explain the concept. I think somewhere I explained match labels and match expressions. Are you agree with me or not? Match labels and match. Already you know the concept. Are you agree with me? Match labels is nothing but
Yes, sir.
RC. Match
Single.
expressions
Yes.
is nothing but RS. But simply if you want
RS.
to know, equal to is nothing but match labels. Double equal to is nothing but match labels. Even not or not equal to is nothing but match labels. Are you agree with me or not? Maybe and I am writing as usual. Even not got it or not?
Not in.
Not
Yes.
space not in space actually. In the same way, maybe industry using or not. This is one of the keyword. EXISTS exist and not exist. This is also one of the keyword. Got it or not? Here, this is nothing but what? This is equality based selector. These are all nothing but what? Even I am writing equality based.
Expression based.
Equality,
Ah,
no. Set based selector. Set based selector. Are you got it or not? Set based selectors. Anjana, this is the technical term. Set based selector. These are what? Equality based selector. Have you got the clarity? Suppose you want to see the one example. Even maybe I think previous class I didn't show you properly. Now I'll show you today. I'll show you. I made it small mistake. Even that too I'll tell you. Even that too I'll tell you. Why again and again I'm telling in the sense total Kubernetes, total even real-time process I'm telling, total Kubernetes K8s is depending upon selectors. Selector SELECTOR and selector and only label concept. LABL label. Even any real-time guy is there. Suppose your friend. In future, you may interact. You may try to ask what is the power and priority of selector and label. They will tell you. They will tell you how much priority. Already you have seen, right? Endpoint. How many of you know the word endpoint? Endpoint in Kubernetes. Where you can see endpoint? Anyone respond? Where did you see endpoint word?
dis-
In
describe, sir.
I am giving clue. I am giving clue. Which describe? Which describe?
Services.
Only service describe. That's what service SERVAC service discovering discovering what? Simple answer. What service discovering? Your answer should be service discovers
Pod.
wherever when only part. Only service knows, service can recognize pod. I am giving one small diagrammatic representation. This is the pod. Pod contain already told. Already by default, pod contains single container pod or multiple container pod. Anyone respond? By default,
Single
98%
container pod.
single container pod. Suppose you may ask me, sir, if I create a normal pod, assume two containers are there. Assumption we take two containers. Control Z. Two containers are there. Assumption. This pod, if I run this pod, it will show for us assume 2 by 2 or maybe 1 by 1. 2 by 2 or 1 by 1. It never show 2 by 2 or 1 by 1. It won't run. It won't running. It won't running. Why it won't running? Only single container pod only by default running. Double container pod never run by default. We need to do some extra setup. Try to understanding or not. By default, if you create a pod, if you try to place two containers, it never run. Try to remember up to today that one. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll try to run more than one container pod. Till now, even today also, I may try to explain only single container pod. Single container pod. Now, our intention is we need to understand We need to understand what are labels, what is the keyword I used here, what is the match labels, what is the match expression, how can we understand this. First, manually I'll try to create one part. Manually means generally we will type manual. Even we will type manually. Fine, I'm taking inputs from your side, maybe either right or wrong. If not, if any wrong is there, we'll get it from our Visual Studio Code. A new file. The file name is maybe XYZ or maybe PQR dot YM. I'm taking one empty one. There I'm typing desktop create file. Here, don't apply directly pod Manjunath. We are not applying, assume. Pod we are getting right. We don't want like this. No, we'll write our own way. Our own way in the sense, tell me four options. What are the four options? Maybe, hyphen, hyphen, dot, dot. This is the well-known story, right? Well-known story. Any ML file must start with three hyphens, must end with three dots. This story everybody knows. What is the first one? API version. Got it or not? API version colon V1. Try to give overview about only four things. What are the four things? API version colon V1. Our intention is only pod, right? Only pod. Next one is what? Kind. What is the kind you need to apply? What is the kind? Kind colon POD pod. Kind colon pod. That's all. After what is that? Anyone respond? Meta data.
Metadata.
Metadata colon. After metadata, one tab is the name colon. What is the name of that? Pod name, right? Pod name, right? My Java pod. My Java pod. Even that too, My Java, just go some name. My Java POD. One maybe I am giving like that. Already that is the catchy words are there. Catchy words, those words it will show. If you don't want that one, that's why I am giving extra letter. Extra letter. What next? Anyone respond? What next? You go for SPEC specification. Specification. According to specification, give tab. What you need to write here? Anyone respond? Anyone respond? CONTA containers. Got it or not? In container, what is the first one? Name. Some people may ask me, sir, without writing name, can I write image? Yes or no? Possible or not possible? Name and image both are equal priority. Both are even see image I am writing here. Docker hands on. So what is that? Java hyphen web app, right? Java hyphen web app colon 1. After this, you may write what is that? Name colon. What is that? My Java container. My Java container. Now what next? What next? Please respond. What next after that? After that, what is that? Container. Container port only, right? Container port is equal to image and name or equal to containers. Please respond. Just
Equal to image name, sir.
equal to image. And now I am writing CONTA container port. Container port only, right? CONTA, which is container port only, I think, right? CONTIN here container port. Container. We'll check it. We are wrong or right. What is the container port generally? 8080. 8080. Now why it is giving just representation means here we didn't write. What is that? Memory related things. That's why this is the warning only, not the error. Warning only, not the error. Now we need to write something. What you need to write? Tell me. What you need to write? Tell me. In that, what is that? Specification. In that specification, you need to write. Please respond. What I need to write? What I need to write? What I need to write? Label, right? Label. Label. Labels. Labels. What are the labels you need to write? First label. First label. Maybe I am giving env. What is the environment you want to write? What is the environment? Assume PROD prod. One more thing. Tell me. What is the one more thing? Maybe tire. TIER tire. Which tire? Front end. Which tire? Front end. Now tell me. Region, REGION. Which region? Maybe India region. India region. In the same way, US is like that. Now any other requirement is there, Manjuna? Just guess it. Any other requirement? I think these are the right things I am assuming. Any other modification? We'll check it. This container port is equal to image and name. Where can I check? Maybe any other thing you take it, you can easily identify. You can easily identify. Now check it here. There within that you need to write containers. There we need to add which one? Ports within that container port. Got it or not? See, one more extra property you need to use. One more extra property you need to use. Where I want to write? Please respond. PQR. I think PQR, right? What I need to write it? Please respond. PO
Ports.
RTS ports. Their presenter. Then their even C. Tab key, even hyphen, space. Now am I correct, right? Even you can give like this. Even you can give like this. Now I think I am not wrong. I am not wrong. First copy this. Copy this. Everything we written manually. Everything we written manually. I think I am copying. Copy this. Copy this. What is the name of the pod? Try to understand. My Java web app pod. I need to create three pods, Majana. I need to create three pods. Try to understand. Control A, Control C. Now, where should I go? You know it. You know it. There I am going to Cloud Shell. Where is my Kubernetes? I think somewhere it is there. Somewhere. Where is that? Already I am in. Where I am in? Yes. Now I am not wrong. Now maximize. Maximize. If not visible, maybe font size is less. I'll try to increase it. I'll try to increase. Now increase the font size. Now control here. Now just I am giving vi p1. I am trying to take p1 dot ym. Only part name. We need to why vi just enter it. Now you know shift insert. If nothing is wrong, we'll try to create part, right? Escape, shift colon, X. Now please respond. Kubectl, kubectl, delete
CTL create.
all, hyphen all. If any other thing is there, we're avoiding. Maybe I'm taking precaution. Maybe existing anything is there, even something is running right internally. I removed everything. I removed everything. I'll try to avoid insufficient memory problem. Performance issues, I want to avoid it means I need to delete. I need to delete. Before the festival day, one day before, what we will do? We'll clean up everything in our house. Same way, here also I am cleaning the cluster. I am avoiding future problem. Now everything is fine. Kubectl, apply hyphen f. What is that? P1, I think, right? P1 dot ym. Now, if nothing is wrong, it will create. If nothing is wrong, maybe where something pod in version v1. I think v1 is correct, right? Cannot be handled as a pod. Strict decoding error. Unknown field. LA. I think labels is right one or wrong one. See the word labels where I written labels concept. I think within the metadata or other side of the metadata. Take any other one. Take any other one. Labels concept where it is there. Within the metadata labels is there. Got it or not? Within the metadata we need to write labels. But where I written? Within the spec I written. Within the spec I written. I hope you understood. I hope you understood. Now vi p1 dot yml. See, regularly if you are typing, automatically you can avoid these errors. So you can avoid these errors. These two lines I need to write because of what I may do. What I may do here, I remove spec. I remove. I need to write here insert enter. There I am writing spec spec. Now I am right. Now I am right. Got it or not? Containers. Before the containers, no hyphen or a hyphen is there. Check it and tell me. Before the Nothing is there, no problem. I think we are right. I think we are right. I think we are right. Got it or not? No problem. Now escape, shift colon, X. Now I'll try to once again execute this. Good. Now I'm opening my, now I go for uh, CP P1 dot YML space P2 dot YM. Now VI P2 dot YM. Now check it. There I'm writing small modification. What is the tire I want to write? In place of front end, I want to write back end. BACK back. There I'm taking region is India only. Again escape, shift colon X. Now I need to execute. Now P2. One more part I am creating. That's all. I think small mistake I did. Small mistake I did. I need to give the different naming convention. kubectl. Now try to observe get parts. I did a small mistake. Please understand. Please understand. I need to open p1.yml. I am explaining what I did a mistake. p1.yml. There I need to change the naming convention. For second one, I given everybody observe. Manjunath got it or not? I changed it to escape colon X. Now I'll try to execute. I'll try to execute. This is a p1.ym. p1.ym. Now check it. How many parts got created? Anyone respond? How many parts may be there now?
Two
No.
parts.
Very good. Two parts are there. Check it. One and two. I need to create one more part, Manjunath. Yeah, tell me CP, maybe p2.yml,
P3
p3.yml.
dot YML.
Good. And now what I am doing? Vi p3.yml. Now I need to change small thing. Here my pod 3. Good. Now I need to change there. This is US. This is US. Even you can take either backend or frontend. That is your wish. Can I leave it backend or can I modify into what is that? What is that? Maybe front end. Maybe front end. Maybe I think front end. I think in two areas I modified. Maybe something front end. Escape, shift colon X. Now execute this. Execute this. This is the P3. P3. Good. Now three parts are there. Everybody well known thing. Everybody well known thing. Yes, three parts are running. Very good. Now you need to see labels. Hyphen show hyphen labels. Hyphen show labels. Now you need to search. You need to search. See, environment is production. Environment is production, or maybe region is equal to India, tire is equal to front end. Region is equal to India, tire is equal to front end. How many parts you may get it? Please respond. Region must be India, tire is equal to front end. Or otherwise, first we'll see simple way. Environment production, region India. How many records you may get it? Anyone respond? Environment should be production. Region must be
Two, sir.
India. Two. This one is nothing but set based selector. Set based selector. How to get it? Set based selector. Up arrow, up to this everybody know. There hyphen L, there hyphen capital L. After that, you need to check env env is equal to which one you want to get it? Production. Env
Oh,
is equal to PROD. Till now got it right? Till now got it. After that, env is equal to production. Env is equal to production. Observe here. Env is equal to production. Env is equal to what I written? Okay, good. And I need to apply their environment is equal to this is the equal to means set base. Now I need to write env env in env in prod env in prod. After that, comma which one you need to get it? Region, right? re
region.
region in. Please respond. What is the region?
IN,
IN
India.
in India. Now try to understand. Anything goes wrong or got it properly? Anything goes wrong? Three are you getting right? Why three are you getting? See which one you got it? Environment production region in India. How many regions are there in India? How many regions are there in India? I need to reduce the size. Now once again enter it. You need to get only two right. Why Manjanath
I'm
we are
getting
getting?
all three, sir.
Why you need to get only two.
Only two.
REJON region. ENV in PROD got it. PROD got it. Now anything I miss, check it. Anything I miss according to my syntax. This is my syntax. kubectl get parts hyphen show labels. Even no need to give hyphen L also. Okay. Region in this one. Region in. Maybe I written here team in. That is not a problem, right? That is not a problem. Our naming we are giving. Our name we are giving. Okay. Leave this hyphen here. What was the problem? What was the problem? ENV in
Environment operation.
ENV. I think now see my syntax. See my
Sir,
labels.
extra comma is there, sir.
Where
Extra
is
comma
that?
after
Where is that?
after region
I,
team, in between region and
oh,
team.
I written comma, right? I think comma is there.
Yes,
I may
yes.
miswrite it. We may check it here. I think comma is there. Here comma must be there. There I may miswriting. Not found. Which is not found? Prod. Hyphen L. Hyphen L. Hyphen L. Found in, expected in, not in. Okay. What system is saying here? Don't use capital IN. Try to use small n. According to this scenario. Even I can write small n. Now type. Now, please mute it. Please mute it. I am getting background noise. Okay. Now we got the proper output, right? Check it and tell me.
No, it's
No,
correct.
now it is correct. Please try to remember. In the GCP you need to use small letters. But in EKS, you must use capital I. In EKS, you must. This is that's what 98% common syntax is common, but keywords may be small vary. Keywords may be small vary. Got it or not? In EKS, you need to give capital L. You need to give capital L. Here you are giving small l also. Even you can give capital L also may work. Check it. Capital L also may work. Even if you give capital L, it is giving all the things right. Even which is the right one according to GKE, small l is the right. Small l is the right. Now, this is nothing but which based selector? Anyone tell me? Set based selector. Set based
Set
selector.
based selector.
Even in set based selector, this is nothing but match labels or match expressions. This is anyone respond? This is match label or match expression. This is the match
So
expression.
match labels
This is the match
expression.
expression. Match expression. Multiple conditions means match expression. Now try to observe. I am writing one more thing. What is the one more thing? Region India, comma. What you want to get it? US, right? US. Now you may get three. Check it. Are you getting three only, right? Why three only? Region either India or maybe US. Region either India or US. Are you getting or not? Are you getting or not? Now you want to work with match labels only. Match labels only. How to get it match labels? ENV is equal to PRO. That's what single one only. ENV is equal to production. Even you may ask not in India. Region is equal to observe India. Region is equal to India. This is match label, Anjana. Match label. You can't apply under condition. Even you can try it. Even comma. Next, tell me. Even TIR tire is equal to front end. Even we will try it in this way. FRONT front end. Front end. Region is equal to. See, not able to get it right. Not able to get it. Here multiple conditions not able to apply in where? In match labels. Where we can apply this multiple condition? In match expression. If you want to work with match expression, you must use which operator? Please respond. You must use in operator. In op. Even we can apply here. I am using once again in. You may get the clarity. Tire in, tell me. Tire in, tire in, tire in. What is that? Tire in just front end. Tire in front end. Now here also region in only, right? No equal to side. No equal to side. What is the problem here? Please respond. What is the anything goes wrong? Region in. India only, right? Region in. TIER. Tire in. Anything goes wrong, Manjana, according to our scenario? So labels -L REGION. REGION. Region in India. Tire in. Anything missing? Please respond, anyone.
Correct only, sir.
Why? See, no resources found in default namespace. Is it available or not? Region in India, tire in fronted. TIER, tire, TIER. Correct only. TIER, tire. Up
Give
arrow.
space, sir, after before
One,
tire.
one second, 1 second. Already you got it right. In place of region in India, even I can write here TIER, tire, TIER, tire in.
So we are given space, sir, in between region, before region.
We'll check it before region. Okay, we'll check it that one also. What is the tire? FRONT, front end. Am I right? Right? Maybe region in India only. Even you need to understand these things also. Now we got it right, Manjanath. You got it or not? I'll try to remove space. I'll try to remove space. Yeah, we even give space also, no problem, right? If data is getting, no problem. Even I try to change in another way. Another way in the sense, first I am writing region. First I am writing region. And then tell me, even first I will check it only region. Region in India. Am I getting right? Now tell me comma. What is that? TI here. Tire
Tire,
in. What is that?
front end,
FRO.
front end.
FRO. I think spelling mistake. I think maybe. I think I may written spelling mistake
Yes,
in
sir.
previous.
Spelling mistake
See,
only. Correct.
even that's what. If now we are getting means something goes wrong. There FONT I given, not front end. Got it or not? This is very important, Manjanath. Industry people they are checking this way only. What parts are running, what parts are not running. Even interview question. When will you get 404 error? This is the very important 404 error. Here one real time employee is there. I think Ramana Reddy. Are you there, Ramana Reddy? Please respond. Generally, I think the word at least 404 minimum. Number, do you know or you don't know? At least, do you know
Yes,
404?
yes, 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 yes.
Please respond in that way. Maybe generally, in which area you may get 404 error? I am giving clarity for that.
Request not found.
Page not found. Page not found. Even you can say
Yeah.
request also, but technical word is page not found error. Yeah, the general meaning of page not found means if I run an application, maybe somewhere it is already running or not, we'll check it. Maybe suppose now generally we are taking like this, we are entering something HTTP colon, everybody know, right? HTTP colon http:// something number, maybe local host something like that we are giving. If you press enter, assume if you press enter, maybe it may run or not, leave it here. It may see the site can't be reached. Manjana, if you are getting such type of error, all these errors are nothing but what? This is the page
Internet
not
error.
found. The site can't be reached. The site can't be reached means this is the 404 error. Now you may ask me, sir, okay, I understood. This is the page not found, site can't be reached. Why do we get such type of error? When will we get such type of error? You may get the clarity, right? You may get the clarity. For that observe, see, assume pod is running properly. Maybe pod is running. Now, service is also running. SVC is also running. Also running. Generally, what we may feel, oh, pod is good, service is good. If I run on this, maybe on browser, we are getting what we are getting. Site can't be reached, page not found error. Can you guess it? What was the problem may persist? At least anyone can guess it. I'll try to explain after a minute. Pod is running, service is running, but here, endpoint, endpoint
Endpoint is not found.
endpoint is not found. Endpoint is not found. Anyone tell why endpoint is not found? Anyone respond in this way? I think I already explained yesterday, day for yesterday. We are discussing same thing again and
They're
again.
not exposed, sir.
We are not
Exposed.
exposed. We are not exposed. Suppose, okay, service is running means we expose Manjanath. Service is running means we expose. That is not a problem. Now anyone can guess it. Service is running means we may expose it. Service is running means something is exposed. Maybe cluster IP, maybe you don't think about only load balancer Manjanath. Maybe cluster IP also no problem. Maybe cluster IP or maybe what? Load
Maybe
balancer.
selector is not equal to, sir. Selector
Yeah,
name is
yeah,
not
very.
equal to label.
Selector name is not equal to label name. Somewhere something is missing, mismatching labels, labels and SELECT or ORS. Anyone respond?
Selector.
Labels and
War.
selector only. Labels you may take multiple. How many selectors you may compare? Only one selector. Only one selector. Selector means what? Anyone respond? Selector means what you want to do? You want to search for a label. If label name and selector name matches, you never get which one? Site can't be reached or page not found error. Page not found error. What is that error means? What is that error means? 404 error. 404 error. Got the clarity or shall I show you once again? Anyone respond? Everybody understood or can I show you once again the procedure and even I'll try
Got it,
to
sir.
got it right? I think yesterday we did same thing. Yesterday we did same thing. Now I hope you got it. This is the regular question, regular question. In future we'll see why do we get 500 error? Why do we get 503 error? Why do we get 403 error? Maybe based on the scenario, I'll try to explain. Now, what is my intention today is maybe tomorrow, I may try to explain PV and PVC. For before going to PV and PVC, I think how many of you know Docker volume concept? Docker volume concept. Maybe just anyone can raise your voice, sir. I know Docker volume. Already, I think from my side also, you understood one or two people. Maybe Markondas are also given clarity, right? Volume concept. What is volume? Anyone respond? What is volume? If you know Docker volume concept in Kubernetes, volume concept is very simple. There in Kubernetes, we'll try to come to the PV. PV means persistent volume. PVC means persistent volume claim. Persistent volume claim. First, we need to know what is volume. Anyone respond? What is volume? Volumes are mounts. Volumes are mounts. We may ask MOUNTS. What it mount? What it mount? What are mounts? Mounts means okay, storing a small piece of data or small amount of data. A small amount of data. Amount of amount of data. We are storing small amount of data. Where we are storing in our host machine. In our host machine. Why you want to store small amount data? See, assume you created one content. Try to understand. You created one content. Good. This container is running. Very good. Unfortunately, this container got deleted. You feel very happy. Oh, container got deleted, right? Yes, it is deleted. Okay, I am creating a new container. If it is general container, there is no problem. We are creating a new container. Assume today container got created. Now try to listen properly. Today we got created one container. Today, spelling is correct, right? Today we got created one container. In this container, even per minute I am storing maybe two records. Per minute I am storing two records. Maybe like that. I am storing for 1 month data, for 1 month data, or 2 months data. 2 months data we store. 2 months data. 2 months data means even 10,000 records I store. 10,000 records I store. We don't know what are the records we stored. After storing 10,000 records, Manjanath, this container got removed. This container got removed. Removed. Okay. I created a new container once again. I created new container. Can I get my existing data? Is it possible or not possible? Anyone respond? In general, we are creating a container. Okay, deleted. Again, I am creating a container. After creation, I entered 10,000 records. After entering 10,000 records, I got deleted. I got deleted means this container also deleted. I created new container. Can I able to get existing data or not? Anyone respond? Can able to get existing data? Your answer should
Yes.
be not. Your answer should be not. How can I get my existing data? How can I get my existing data? If you want to get your existing data, only one remedy is there. That concept name is VOLUM, volume concept. Volume concept. In Docker, we are calling as this is the volume, maybe Docker volume concept. Now anyone respond? How can I attach our container data to volume? How can I attach? First try to understand that one. I am giving such clarity. Now see, everybody try to understand. This is nothing but cloud. I hope you know this is nothing but AWS cloud. Or maybe GCP cloud. AWS or GCP cloud. GCP cloud. You know it. There we got created, there I got having, this is the EC2 mission. This is the EC2 mission. On the EC2 mission, I installed which OS? Host OS. I installed host OS. Host OS means whatever you created virtual machine or EC2 install, this is nothing but host OS. On top of host OS, we installed Docker software. There what I am installing? It is the Docker daemon. The simple terminology is Docker Docker daemon. Okay. On top of Docker daemon, I created one container. Everything is fine. Container got created. Something I am entering here. Something I am entering here. Unfortunately, I deleted my container. Unfortunately, I deleted. Someone is deleted. Okay, I am creating new container. We feel very happy. But what is the problem here? Knowingly, unknowingly, I written some sensitive data assume. Yeah, I written. Maybe for our understanding, I written A. This container got deleted. Maybe today I written A. Tomorrow I forgot what I written. I created a new container. Can I able to get this A? I never get this A. My intention is whenever if I create container, automatically I want to get this A. Yeah, this is my intention. I want to get this A. At that time, what we will do? In host OS, you need to create one folder. In host OS, you need to create one folder. Are understanding or not? In host OS, you need to create one folder. What is the folder name? For your convenience, I am taking one name. Please respond any one name. That is your wish. Maybe 3 to 4 letter name. Tell me one name. Any one name. Just I need to write some 4 letters or 5 letters name.
ABC.
ABC, only ABC. This is ABC is the folder. ABC is the folder. My intention is what? Whenever new container created, that new container is there, right? In this new container, that container is attaching to this container is attaching to this one. Got it or not? This container, maybe some volume is there, right? Maybe some path is there. Path is attaching to this one. Part of the container is attaching to this one. Attached. Okay, good. Whenever I store A, here automatically, in this ABC, I may get A. You may ask me, You may ask me. Here I stored A. Automatically I got here, right? Assume. Here I stored X, assume. Automatically here you will get X. This is the logical thing. This is the logically it can do everything. Logical thing. Logical. Logical thing. So we'll see first KHINs. Same thing. Even tomorrow I'll do same concept. I am going to here. Please try to observe. I am going to here where I want to go. This one. No. This one. No. This one. No. Yeah, good. Now control L. Control L. No. Docker. Docker run. Please tell me any one container I want to create it. Any one container. Maybe HTTPD container, maybe Nginx container, maybe some other container. Your wish. Shall I go with HTTPD? First, you need to see Docker images. Docker PS. Docker Docker images. Nothing is there, right? Now, please respond. Shall I create HTTP or shall I create Nginx? Your wish.
HTTP.
HTTP. How can I create? I think I am taking one person name. Already you know Docker. Maybe those person only, that person only try to communicate with me. Try to communicate with me. I am choosing one person here. Which person I am choosing? Kishore, please try to respond. How can I create? How can I create? Which one? Which one? This one? No. This is very maybe multiple things are. Now Docker, please respond. Docker, run good, right? Docker good. Even I can write hyphen name. There my web. After that hyphen D detach hyphen B. What is the default container port respond?
Default
80,
container.
right? 80 colon 80 After that, what is the image name? HTTPD. Any other requirement is there? Any other requirement is there? Please respond. Maybe in general, this is the way of creating, right? This is the way of create.
Version, sir.
Version is not important, Manjunath. Even you can give latest. Even if you are not giving latest means, what is the by default version name?
Default latest, sir.
Latest one.
Latest only.
Now see, container got created. Container got created. This is the in general container. Now see, I want to enter into this container. I want to enter into this container. I want to see something, right? I want to add something, right? I want to add something. And now Kishore, how shall I enter into this container? Docker exec hyphen it. After that anyone respond? After that anyone respond?
My web.
Container id. Even this is also container id. This is also container id. I am copying, maybe insert. Even this length is not required, but anyway it took. After this, anyone tell me? Just bash.
Bash.
Am I entered or not? Am I entered or not? Even this is Apache 2. Apache 2 means this is the, I think Ubuntu related, I think. No, this is GCP, right? This is the GCP. Here it is giving Apache 2. Which one I took? HTTPD, right? HTTPD. Now, there ls hyphen L. ls hyphen L. What is the path here? Please respond. Which one? This is the, what we can say? I think, what is the, Jenkins default path is where live Jenkins, right? Like that,
Yes.
HTTPD default path is user, what is that? User www HTML, right? Slash
User slash
cd slash us user only, right? No, where www HTML. Am I correct or not? See, anything goes wrong? The such type of environment is not there. Not there. Okay, anyway, that is not a problem. Here I am trying to create two files. Tell me touch file, flower bracket, one dot dot, even I am creating 5 files, even I am creating 5 files, dot txt, dot txt. Now check it, ll or ls hyphen l, ls hyphen l. Am I created 5 files, yes or no? Am I created 5 files, yes or no? Yes. See, I am exiting this. I am exiting this. After exiting, even I am exiting from this. Am I exited or not properly? Yes, Apache 2 I exited. I want to remove this container. Please tell me how to remove this container. Docker rm. Docker rm hyphen f. Docker rm hyphen f. I think somewhere I copied already. Which one? Which one I copied? Escape. Not this one. Not this one. Control C. Where I did this one, right? This one. Now Docker, I want to delete. I want to delete. Docker rm, Docker rm hyphen f. Now what is that? Now I need to remove bash. Shall I press enter? Shall I press enter? Yes. Removed or not? Please respond. Docker ps. Nothing is there. If I create a new container, somewhere I given, right? If I create new container, assume, can I able to get those 5 files? Yes or no? Please respond. Can I able to view those files? Can I able to view those files,
No, sir.
existing files? No. Why? This was created newly. This was created newly. Existing was removed. Even this has been created just now. This has been created just now. I hope everybody got it. Now our intention is what? Now our intention is what? I want to mount. I want to mount. How can I mount it? This is very, very important. And shall I create one folder? Shall I create one folder? Yes, I think mkdir. I'm creating manju manju. Am I created one folder? Yes or no? Yes, I create. Yes, I create. Now check it. In this, anything is there or not? How can I check it? ls hyphen l slash manju. Now check it. Check it. In this, anything is there or not? I think spelling is mistake or not. Cannot access. No such file or what is that? Manju is there, right? manju. Manju got created or not? Check it. ls hyphen l. Manju got created or not? Yes. Where is the Manju? Manju is there, right? manju. Now I'll try to check cd. manju. Now ls hyphen l. At least check it. Nothing is there, Manju. Yes. cd dot dot. One step back. Now what I may do? Observe carefully. Observe carefully. I want to remove existing container. Docker rm hyphen f. Now you want to see the container head. Docker ps. Now up arrow. Docker rm hyphen f is the container ID. This is the container ID. Everybody feels already you know it. If I ask suddenly, please do this one, you never do it. You never do it. Here, what is my intention is rm minus. Now, somewhere we created, right? Somewhere we created. Now, observe carefully. After giving the name, just hyphen we observe. What V represents? Please respond. I think already some people know it, right? V represents volume. V represents volume. This volume you need to, what is your folder name? What is your folder name?
Manju.
manju manju colon. What is your container path here? What is your container path here? That is very, very important. Where I created, now which one you want to add it? Somewhere container path we have seen, right? Here observe, somewhere we have seen container path. What is the container path here? Somewhere we have seen something, right? Before Manju. There see USR local Apache 2. USR, see up to this you need to copy it. Are you observing or not? This is the path. Which path this is? That is the website path. Website. Simply we can say container path. Simply we can say container path. See shift insert. Everybody understanding or not? See, container path is attaching to whom? Host. Host is the host having one file, host folder, Host folder is attaching to whom? Container path. This is the host path. That is very easy. This is the host path. This is the container path. These two interlinking I provided. Now, if you say yes, I can press enter. Have you understood or not? This is very, very important. I am providing interlink. After providing interlink, I am trying to enter into container. How can I enter container? Once again, tell me. Docker exec -it. Now you need to provide. This is the container path. Now shift insert. After that, just you go for bash bash. Now something goes wrong or anything. Why? What is the problem? What was the problem? It is saying not able to create. Why not able to create? Docker ps hyphen a Docker PS. Any spell DOCK? I think spelling mistake. DOCK here. Docker PS. Now check it. It is exited. Why it is exited? Please respond. Docker RM hyphen F. This one you need take first. You need to delete it. Good. Something goes wrong. Why something goes wrong? Docker run hyphen name. My web -v. -v means what I said volume. After that, Mandu is the folder, right? Yes, USR local Apache to -d. Even we can change the port number. That is not a problem. Maybe one. Now anything goes wrong.
iPhone D detached, sir.
Detached mode. D means detached. First Docker PS. DOCK. Is it what happens? DOCK here, Docker. That is saying created, but here is not showing, right? Docker PS hyphen A. Why it is exited? That is very, very important. Exited. HTTPD. HTTPD. My web hyphen B. MANJU Manju. Path is right path or not? I think right path, right? Right path only. Path you need to mention. Path you need to mention. HTTPD. HTTPD. Actually, we need to enter into the actual path. USR local Apache to. What is the nginx path? Anyone respond? What is the nginx path? I think USR. What is the nginx path? HTTPD path is generally HTTPD. HTTPD path is just where www HTML. This is the general path, I think, right? Nginx path is USR. I think USR share SHR is share. After that, share NGNX. After that, HTML. I think, am I not wrong? Which path? Which path? NGNX path. NGNX path. Are you agree with me? NGINX. NGNX path. I think this may be the NGNX path. Okay, anyway, first without mount, I will try to create once again. I think something goes wrong here. We'll check it. We'll check it. This is in general scenario, right? This is the general one. I'm taking what was happened. Name already exists. Even Docker. I think Docker run first ps hyphen a. What shall I do? Docker the Docker rm hyphen f. I need to copy paste it. Shift insert. Now please observe. I'm creating same thing once again. Yes, it is got created. Now check it. Docker, yes. Yes, it is up and running. Yes, it is up and running. What my intention is, I want to know the proper path. How can I know? Docker exec -it Now first I need to know the this part. Now what is that? PWD, present working directory. Oh, home slash, even that too also problem. Home slash Altopathy 1975. Within that, even see CD. What is the CD here? CD Manju, right? CD Manju. Even that too problem. Now see PW. What is the present working directory? Manjunath, home, Altopathy 1975, Manju. This is the right path. This is the right path. Now check it at least. CD Docker. After that, Docker exec hyphen it. Now after that, I need to paste this. I need to paste this. Shift insert. After that, you go for bash. You
Dash.
go for. Now I think I am in the PW. This is the path. I hope two paths are well known, right? Now two paths are well known. After two paths are well known, I'll try to remove the Docker Docker rm hyphen f. First I need to remove this. This is the right one, right? Remove this. Shift insert. What is that? There is no Docker ps hyphen a. Nothing is there. doc. I am in the container, right? I am in the container.
Inside containers.
Yes, yes, yes. Understood. Now I need to check. Docker ps. Docker ps. Docker ps hyphen a. Yes, it is running. I need to remove this. Tell me, Docker rm hyphen f. This is the container ID. Shift insert. Now our intention, I need to create a new container with the proper path,
One.
proper path. Now please respond. What I need to give here? After name
F1.
hyphen v. After this first path. What is the first path? There, which one? Which one? Before this, right? Before this. Before this. Where is that path? Where is that path? Altopathy something is there, Manjunath. Where I written? Where I added? I think this one, right? Not this one. Somewhere we have seen, right? Add. Where is that? Where is that? Or otherwise, this one, Manjunath. After this. Okay, anyway, up to this, even you take this before Manju, this one. Observe here, this is the right path. Is it clear or not? This is the right path. Where I need to add? Here I need to add. Shift insert. Shift insert. After this colon, please observe everyone. After this, again
Container
what?
path.
Where is the container path, Manjana? This one. Here also there, I think. This one. Are you understanding or not? Yes. Now shift insert. Now I think everything is fine for us. Everything is fine for us. I am pressing enter. Now I think everything is fine. How can I check? Docker ps hyphen a. It must be up and running. Even we got exited. Why we are getting exited? stdpd must run. stdpd must run. Hyphen d good. Hyphen v good. Manju is good. stdpd is good. Docker run hyphen name. Shall we start manually? We'll check it. How shall I start manually? Docker. What is the ID? Tell me. This one only ID, right? Docker. We'll start it. Docker. Start. strt. Start this. Actually, it won't stop. Okay, we'll check it. Docker ps hyphen a. Even not started. About a minute ago. Exited. 3 minutes ago. 3 minutes ago. Anybody? Anything goes wrong? Please try to respond. Docker run correct. Hyphen name correct. Hyphen v correct. This is the technical word is this is the host path. This is what? This is what? Container path. This is what? container path, USR, local, Apache to hyphen D, even hyphen P, 81. HTTPD port number is what? Container port is 80 only, right? Container port, this is what? This is what? Host, this is what? Host port. This is what? Host port. So everything is fine. Everything is fine. But finally, it is exited. It is exited. I may go with NGNX once again. I may go with NGINX. Same path. I may go for NGNX. NGNX. First, what shall I do? I may remove. I may remove this one. Docker RM hyphen F. This one I am taking. Here I am paste. And now anybody try to respond, same thing. I am trying to apply for NGINX. NG, and that's all. Here I am trying to change 80, 81. 80, 80. That is not a problem actually. I think path may be problem, or even we don't know the NGNX path, right? Manjunath, do you know NGNX path? We don't know, right? We don't know NGNX container path. We don't know NGNX container path. Are you agree with me or not? First, I need to create NGNX, then I will enter into NGNX. For that, what shall I do? I need to go and remove this up to this. Without knowing, we can't apply. Now enter it. Nginx got created. Now Docker ps-a. It is up and running. Docker ex first Docker exec hyphen it. After that, this container shift insert. Now bash, right? Bash. This is the now check it ls hyphen l. Now you need to know the path. CD, I think where is there? I think USR is there or not? USR, please respond. USR, yeah,
Yes,
there.
sir.
Yeah, CD, USR. After that, share, right? USR, okay, check it. Now ls hyphen l, USR share. Yes, CD share is there. Share is there. After that, maybe ls hyphen l, maybe www share, usr share, maybe html is there or not? Not there, not there. What is the path, actual path? I said somewhere, right? Usr share, usr. What is the path I written? Where I written? Here I written. I think check it somewhere I written. Somewhere I written this one or this one. Somewhere I written. Where I written? Not this one. What is the actual path I specified somewhere? What is the actual path I specified somewhere? Anyone respond? What is the NGNX, NJINX slash USR slash USR? I written USR after that share only, right? USR share NJNX within that HTML. Within that HTML. Same path I need to get it. Same path I need to get it. Now respond USR share NGNX, right? CD NGNX is there or not? NGNX, check it. NGINX
Yes,
there
sir.
observe
Yes, sir.
NGINX. Now see, now within that CD HTML. This is the actual path. This is the now path is clear, right? Now PWD present working direct. Present working direct. Now CD, just enter. Now observe here, CD Manju is there. CD Manju, MANJU. MANJ. CD Manju is the right way or not? MANJ. No, not there. Why not there? Why not there? I'm in proper path or not? I am not in. I am in the container, right? I am in the container. Exit from here. Observe. Exit from here. CD Manju. CD Manju. Now check it. I am in Manju. I am in Manju. Now I'll try to apply. Now I'll try to apply. CD data. Now please observe. Now please observe. I need to go with. I am deleting. Docker. Docker ps hyphen a. First I need to delete the container. Docker rm hyphen f. This one we need to delete it. Now it may work proper. Now what I may do? Same procedure, same procedure. Now observe hyphen, please observe hyphen v. After that slash I am giving only Manju. Only Manju. Don't take even another one. MANJU. After that, where is our actual path? USR share something something I written, right? This one. Shift insert. Shift insert. Now I am not wrong. I am not wrong. I am creating this one. Now check it. Docker PS. Only PS I am giving. Now is it up and running or not? Respond everyone. Is it running or not?
Yes, sir.
Now Manjanath. What shall I do? What shall I do? Please observe. Now I am going to entering into container. How can I enter? EXEC. Docker, right? Docker
Docker exec
EXEC
container name
hyphen IT.
hyphen
Now
it.
container ID shift insert. Now just bash. This is the important. Now observe carefully. CD USR USR share NGINX NGINX. Next, what is that? HTML. Entered, right? Now ls hyphen l, check it. What it is there? Nothing, right? I'm creating cat greater than index.html. I'm writing. What I'm writing? Oh, welcome to nginx. For which folder? For which folder? Manju folder. I'm writing like that. Manju control D. I hope everybody understood, right? Where I entered something, please respond. Where I entered something, this is the
Containers.
container path. Container path. I need to check in host path. How can I check in host path? Please respond, anyone. You must exit
Exit.
from here. Now CD Manju. Now if I give ls hyphen l, in previous scenario nothing is there, right? Now observe. Oh, not getting anything. Not having anything. You must contain. You must contain. You must contain. In Manju, we created Manju folder. There I entered. There I entered. Copied or not copied? Actually copied, right? Copied. Here I'll try to create one folder. Maybe cat greater than xyz.txt. Something. Control D. Okay. Now CD. Okay. ls hyphen l file. Which file? Only one file is there. Two files are there. Only one file, right? Only one file. xyz.txt. CD dot. Now even CD space dot. Docker ps. Now what I want to do? Docker docker exec hyphen it. Again I am trying to enter into this. Enter shift insert. Maybe path goes wrong or not. Bash. And now just ls hyphen. Okay, cd. What is that path? Cd. What is that path? We need to copy paste it. Where is that path? This path. Now I need to paste it. Shift insert. Enter it. Just ls hyphen l. Only index is there. There is no sync. Sync is not provided. You need to provide sync. We need to provide sync. Now final thing I need to do. What is the final thing I want to apply? I want to, okay, exit, exit. Now what I will do? Docker rm hyphen f. What is the container path? This one. Shift insert. Now okay. What I want to do? CD Manju, CD MANJU. Now pwd. You need to take this path. You need to take this path. Up arrow, up arrow, up arrow. Same thing. I want to try it final. Because of already I did, I worked well, but now it is not working. Why will check it? This one I need to copy. Yes. Shift insert. Shift insert. Now everything is fine for us. We'll try it. Yes. Oh, where I created within Manju, right? Within Manju. That is also problem. That is also a problem. But anyway, container normally created, right? CD data. CD space data. We'll check it. Docker PS hyphen A. Is it running or not running? Yes, it is running. No problem. Yes, it is running. Now what I may do? What I may do? I need to add something in Manju folder. CD Manju. Now again cat greater than A. Now A or B control D. Yes. CD space dot. Now Docker already. Docker Docker exec hyphen it. After that, this container ID, paste it, insert. After that, bash. Now cd that path. What is that path? Slash usr slash share slash nginx slash html. Now ls hyphen l. Am I create? Now Manjunath got it or not? Observe here. Got it or not? AAA
Yes, sir.
xyz.txt. Even see a small minute mistake. Here you need to give full path, Manjunath. You need to give full path. Observe where is the full path is there. Even I can add new file here. Now cat I may give greater than. Maybe I am giving Naresh. Naresh Naresh. Within the Naresh, hi Naresh. Hi Naresh. Now control D. Where I added in container
Container
path.
path.
I want to check in host path. How can I check it? Exit right. And now cd manzul. Now ls hyphen l. Even you can check it. Naresh is there or not? Observe. This is the thing we are creating. Now try to observe which is the path is very important. Path is very important. Everybody try to observe. Here I given full path. Home Alto Pati 1975 Manju. Why I am giving this much of full path means try to understand. Try to understand once again I am giving clarity for you. This is nothing but fully managed. Not this is fully managed. This is not two things I not self managed. Everything run by with the help of GCP, right? You need to mention full path. Otherwise, that cluster is not able to understand. In AWS, no need to give full path. Even a limited path also it may understood. Limited path also it may understood. Suppose if you want to give limited path, observe what I may do. Even that is also possible. I am telling that one. What is the limited path? Limited path means you try to give here one more dot. What does it mean? What does it mean? This is nothing but what is that?
Folder.
Two types of path, Mandana. Paths are two types. I am giving that such clarity also. Even try to understand here. One is absolute path. Absolute path means slash something again slash something slash something. Full path is nothing but absolute. ABSOLUTA. Dot slash something is nothing but relative path. RELATIVE. Relative means we are mentioning something only. Before, we don't know. That is nothing but relative. Everything you know, you need to give what? Absolute path. Which is the right path in the sense fast performance. If you want fast performance, you go for absolute. Okay. Somewhat performance down means you go for relative path. Why relative path performance down? Anyone respond? It will go and recognize. It will go and refer it. It will go and check it.
Search,
Check
sir.
searching. Searching is if you are searching Maybe some thousands of folders may be there, right? It will go and search each and every folder. Oh, something is there before any path is there. Here, what we are telling is the absolute path. Absolute path. There I mentioned absolute path. Same thing tomorrow. Tomorrow by using which area? Till now we did. Till now we did by using Docker. By using Docker. In Docker, we need to mention two types of path. Please respond. One is the host path.
Host path,
Second,
container
nah,
path,
colon, colon,
colon
container path.
container path.
Same rules and regulations, container path. Same rules and regulations we need to use in what is that? K8s. Why am why told again and again means if you understood this one, there nothing, or otherwise you may ask several questions. Several questions. Even though you ask for several questions, maybe I may explain 100% assume. Again, you may have a doubt. Even if I explain only 20%, because of we may did lost lot of things, right? We may did lot of struggle also. We struggled, right? That's why everything you remember in your brain. Two types of paths are there. One is the host path. Second one is what? Container path. Container path. Same happen in Kubernetes also. We may do in the with the help of PV and PVC. PVC. PV means persistent volume. PVC means persistent volume claim. Simplify, I can complete it. Persistent means we can maintain, we are maintaining the STAT state. State means store something. STORE. Store something. Something in something in somewhere. Something in somewhere. We don't know where it is. We don't know where it is. We are mentioning that is the host path. That is the host path. Even NFS is there. Like that we can mention. Even host path is there. NFS is there. MTDR is there. Even those are not good. Which is the best one is PV. PVC is the best one. Why PVC is the best one? These are belongs to cluster. CL cluster based. Cluster knows PV. Cluster knows PVC. Even you know the cluster, right? Group of what is the cluster? Group of anyone respond? Group of
Nodes.
nodes. Group of nodes means every node knows PV. Just like this is assume house. Just like this is assume. House may contain how many rooms? Please respond. This is one bedroom. This is one more bedroom. This is hall. Assume this is hall. This is what? Kitchen. Assume kitchen. Kitchen is the common place for this bedroom, and this hall. Everybody agree with me? Kitchen is the common place. Got it or not? That is PV. That is PV. This is the persistent volume. Persistent volume. Everyone can go and enter into PV. There you can drink the water. Maybe there you can eat something. There you can prepare something. Everything is possible. Same way in k8s. This is the just like a common resource, common shareable resource. Simply we can say that is the global resource. That is what? Global resource. Global resource. Tomorrow we'll enhance global resource. Okay, till now try to understand, try to implement it. If possible, try to complete today everyone. Even I may be available up to 11 o'clock for you. Maybe if anybody facing difficulty of which one, WordPress and MySQL, you try it and try to interact with me. Try to interact with me. Tomorrow, our full-fledged concentration tomorrow morning, 6:30 to 8, right? 6:30 to 8. Tomorrow I'll go with 6:30 to 8. I'll try to complete PV and PVC only. These two things I'll try to provide for. Thank you. If any doubt, try to interact with me. Otherwise, we can wind the session. Shall I wind? Or any doubt is there? What, Manjunath? Shall I wind up?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. I'm sending a video within 5 minutes. Please try on in that way. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow.